Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change container color and width. So let's get started. So right now, let me scroll down on my page and look for a container. So in here, this right here is a container. So what we can do in order to actually change the color is to head over and use all of these things right here. I recommend you to use this design right here. And once you have done that, you should be able to change the image frame design. So for example, you want to customize the design, you can also click on that. And then over here, you should be able to see some image frame design that you want to use. So you can use this one right here. So for example, you can change the border, you can increase the width or decrease it, change everything right here. But what we need to do is to head over and change the container color. So what we can do is we can actually see that there's opacity and color every single thing right here. So what you can do is you can click on the color right there and you can change it however you want it to be and what color you want it to be right there. So just choose what color you want on each of these designs right here or the settings right here, and you should be able to be ready to go. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to change container color and wicks. If you have found this video helpful, so please leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.